people. So we are Barbeque Nation. Ayush, serve yourself some salad, please. I got myself some pani puri. Oh, look at the different kinds of salad. What Ayush is having is pasta salad. Then you have fruit salad, Russian salad. It's real value for money. Like, it is on the higher side. $8.90. It's almost 900 bucks.
Money can buy happiness, and here's when.
Okay. Ayush, okay. Okay. Fine. You want to eat pasta? Corn mutton salad. My son is a little European. He loves eating all these. Perfect. Yeah, Russian salad. I'm so proud of my child because I used to make a lot of Russian salad back in the day at home. So yeah.